So do you think maybe you and Leon, after the fight could hash things out? Like, do you picture a scenario like that?
No, I think after the fight, I'm going to literally walk to his corner, do the Khabib thing, throw my mouthpiece at them, laugh at them, point, and maybe hop over the fence and jump on his brother.
Guys, duel pertandingan gelar kelas welter pada kartu utama UFC 304 juara bertahan Leon Edwards akan meladeni petarung yang baru pertama kali naik ke pentas pertandingan gelar, yaitu Belal Muhammad. Pertandingan ini bukan merupakan yang pertama kali bagi kedua petarung itu. Edwards dan Belal sudah saling berhadapan di UFC Vegas 21 pada tahun 2021 silam. Namun laga tersebut keluar tanpa pemenang karena insiden colokan mata yang dilakukan Edwards terhadap Belal.
It's against the sport's best. Oh, another pull. Oh, it was a poke in the eye. Yeah. It wasn't a low blow as he landed the body kick.
Over there.
Hold on. Oh my goodness.
Maka dari itu, pertemuan pada UFC 304 nanti akan menyelesaikan urusan antara Edwards dan Belal yang belum tuntas. Belal sering mengasah kemampuan bersama tim Khabib Nurmagomedov, termasuk di dalamnya ada juara kelas dengan UFC Islam Makhachev. Khabib dikabarkan akan datang ke pemusatan latihan Belal untuk menyempurnakan beberapa strategi. Meski begitu, Edwards sama sekali merasa tak gentar dengan orang yang ada di belakang lawannya itu.
Possible. Like I said, I don't look too much into it. Like I said, just get your move. That doesn't make you move. I feel like if that's what he's banking on, having a man in his corner, that makes a difference to me. Like when it comes to fight night, his skills, and the way he fights for the last many years is the way he fights. So let's see. Like I said, I don't give two shits. He's in his corner or he's training with. When it comes to fight night, it's only me and him alone in a cage, and he's got a lot to answer for.
Secara terpisah, Belal Muhammad mengaku pemusatan latihan yang dilakukan sejauh ini sudah sangat baik. Dia kemudian mengungkapkan persiapan untuk menghadapi pertandingan gelar pertamanya sepanjang karir di panggung UFC. Remember the Name melihat laga melawan Edwards sebagai momen yang menentukan dalam perjalanan karirnya. Belal mengaku sudah mengetahui kelemahan lawannya dan menganggap laga kontra Edwards akan menjadi pertarungan yang mudah.
I actually went to, after the Gilbert Burns fight, I went down and trained with them at AKA and helped Abu Bakr train for his fight. But they're always traveling. Anytime they're around, I try to get as much time with them as possible, right? Because I always say it. I say like 1 day training with Khabib is worth like 100 days training with anybody else, because the knowledge, just the energy that you get from them guys, it's like priceless. So it's always good to feel from them, get that time, and it was cool to just like be in that same mindset as like Islam was fighting next week. So anytime to be in a champ camp, to feel that aura, it's a great time, especially for myself. For me, this being my first title fight, talking to them, seeing what their feels are, asking Islam about his fight in Australia and how he coped with the time change and what he did over there, what he ate for breakfast and stuff. Like, it's always good, man. And yeah, anytime you just get to hang out with those guys. See, I'm training with the Michael Jordan of the sport and Khabib, and Islam is basically like LeBron James of the sport. So it's always good to get those feels with those guys. And now I got to bring my boy Ignacio with me too, so now he gets to feel it for the first time. And yeah, we both just leveled up so much, and we got a couple black eyes.
So guys, gimana dengan pendapat kalian semuanya? Tinggalkan komentar di bawah ya. Like video ini and see you next time.